Hello friends, welcome. The question is, in an exam, 60% candidates passed in maths and 70% candidates passed in English and 10% candidates failed in both the subjects. So if 300 candidates passed in both the subjects, find the total number of candidates who appeared in the exam if they took the test in only two subjects, that is maths and English. So we will follow the information which is given to us. First is maths. Let's go for maths. So we are given that there are 60% candidates who passed in maths. So for maths we have pass percentage is 60%. So from this we can find the failed percentage, which will be obviously 40%. Likewise, for English, we are given the pass percentage to be 70%. So therefore, the percentage of failed candidates will thus be 30%. But we are also given that 10% candidates, they failed in both the subjects. So now we will draw Venn diagram. Let us draw it like this. So let this represent maths and this circle represent English. So let this Venn diagram represent the failed number of candidates, failed percentage of candidates. So we have 40% who failed in maths and total of 30% who failed in English, right? So we also have 10% which failed in both the subjects, so which will be represented by this area. So thus 40 minus 10 we have 30 and 30 minus 10 we have 20. That is 10% failed only in maths and 20% failed only in English. So therefore we can find total number of candidates who failed in at least one subject. Now this will be equal to 30 plus 10 plus 20, because all these have failed in at least one subject. So 30 plus 10 plus 20, which is equal to 60%. So if 60% have failed in at least one subject, so from this we can find out, this implies that total number of candidates who have passed in both subjects can be equal to 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40%. But we are also given that 300 candidates passed in both the subjects. So we have 40%, which is equal to 300. So if we assume that let total number of candidates be x, let total number of candidates be x, so we can write 40x by 100 equal to 300. So from here we get x equal to 750. So this is choice D and the answer to this question. Thank you.